This is a quick review of two ultralight pouches I've been testing for the past few months. Found this first one when I was searching on Reddit for toiletry pouch recommendations. It's called Foxlite Gear. It's a small handmade Etsy company based out of Des Moines, Iowa. I like this pouch because it's simple, lightweight, water-resistant fabric, and it's a perfect size for all my toiletry gear. I have the small size here. It measures 8 by 4.5 by about 2.5 deep, or 2011 by 6 centimeters. There are several size variations on this pouch. There's a medium, a large, as well as a long tube-shaped pouch, and then there's a flat square one. Comes in several fabric choices. There's a thinner ripstop like this one, comes in Cordura or a mesh, and there's a ton of color options. The material I have here is a 300 denier ripstop nylon with a silpoly lining on the inside and a good quality YKK zipper. This fabric is highly water resistant, but it's not seam sealed, so it's not waterproof. And then just to show you what the pouch holds, I have my minimalist toiletry kit here. Everything fits in the pouch just fine with plenty of room to spare. This next one I'm excited about because of the fabric. This is also a small cottage industry company based out of Brookings, Oregon. This is a newer fabric called Ultra. This is the thinnest 200 denier version. It's similar to Dyneema, but with a higher tear strength and abrasion resistance. I've seen one claim that it's double that of 500 denier Cordura, and this is completely waterproof. This is my first experience with Ultra. It's working great so far with a pouch. At least one backpacking company has started making packs with this stuff, Palante. People seem to like it so far, but I have seen some issues with delamination. This fabric has yet to make it into mainstream travel backpacks, but just like the X-Pack fabric took a while to take off, you might start seeing packs made from Ultra in the next few years. The pouch is fairly basic. It's about 10 inches by 4.5 by 2 inches deep, or 25 by 11 by 5 centimeters. And then it has this little tiny water-resistant line YKK zipper. This could easily be used for toiletries, but I've been using it as a minimalist pouch for my electronics. So far it works great, holds a ton, and I haven't had any issues with the quality. Again, this fabric is 100% waterproof. It's not gonna leak through the fabric here, and the zipper does a great job about keeping out water. However, these seams aren't sealed, so this bag can leak. I'll be testing out more pouches over the next few months and sharing those with you a few at a time. So far, these two have been working out great for me, and I love to feature smaller cottage industry companies. Again, these pouches are made by Foxlite Gear. This blue one and this black one with the Ultra fabric is by Ultralight Sacks. I'd love to hear any recommendations that you have on ultralight pouches or other local cottage industry companies. If you have any questions about these two bags, hit me up in the comments below. And again, thanks for watching.